Let's go ahead and move now into a time of stillness, into a time of prayer and a time of meditation. And as we center ourselves into this divine time, we breathe in, we breathe out. And together today for our time of meditation, we'll focus on words written by the author of our Adventures in Spirituality book, with an exercise she's devised for herself. So first, close your eyes. Then, in your mind's eye, imagine a magnificent, all-encompassing light with the radiance of the sun that envelops the entire earth. Imagine it to be a universal light of healing, health, love, joy, and all good things. Then take a deep breath, and instead of exhaling through your mouth or nose, exhale by pushing your breath through a large imaginary hole at the top of your head. Visualize your breath shooting upward and connecting with the radiance of the universal light. Then visualize yourself inhaling this magnificent light. Again, through the top of your head, feel the light filling your entire body and radiating outward through your pores, touching the world around you. And so let's take just a few moments together in this space of consciousness, in the space of connection, to just let this practice flow through us, breathing in and exhaling in the stillness, in the silence. And ever so gently, we allow ourselves to be drawn back to this time, to this place, knowing that we can re-enter this space at any moment, knowing that we can shine this light and this love of consciousness and kindness out into our world. And so with that as our intention, we re-enter this moment. And so we say, thank you, Spirit, and so it is. Amen.